Kids Family!
In this video, we will get to know what is up and what is down. These words tells us the direction of objects. The word up means moving or going towards a higher place, and the word down means moving or going towards a lower place. Now we are going to tell you what is up and what is down with the example of kite and toy. Let's see the picture carefully. The kite is flying up. The boy is standing down. The kite is flying up. The boy is standing down. The kite is flying up. The boy is standing down. The kite is flying up. The boy is standing down. Now we will show you some pictures to differentiate what is up and down. Up, down. The clouds are up. The grass is down. The birds are up. The children are down. For more videos, please like and subscribe our channel.